Come test drive the 2025 Equinox. Fuel efficiency, safety, and value equals the Chevy Equinox. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, traction control, brake assist, electronic stability control. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.